Oh, I think this is better. Easy does it. Little stroll to Rijtesten. Oh, there's a lot of commotion going on there. Take a look there. See what all the fuss is about. Yesterday there was some commotion going on in Rijtesten at the Servento Hall. Well, it's we need to go to Rijtesten, and it's on my way, so you can take a little look there. Camera action rolling. A little bit late, maybe 30 minutes past 7 o'clock I wanted to be there, but I got a visitor, so that was not possible. We got an amateur car driver in front of us. Now she's not clipping out. My windows are a little bit dirty. Thank you for watching. Wegenwaard. Well guys, part zoveel, going for some rumble. I got myself some resonators. I got them on a movie, but on that movie I was also smoking a little bit, so I was thinking, yeah, probably better cannot upload this. You never know. Well, it is part of my life. For a very, very long time. Okay guys, we're gonna take a ride here on the north. This is how it's called here. I just got my first fine, my boete here. I was driving 4 kilometers above the speed limit, so it was after correction, so probably 7 kilometers too fast. I'm gonna go this way. myself some agua. It's only a little stroll, about 12 or 13 kilometers to the garage. Oh, she got out. I have to tap it so I can see what I'm filming. And I got you loose, so I have to be careful in the corners. If we even can pass through there, I'm curious. Farmers what? Farmers what? Automatic driving, boys and girls. Mercedes-Benz 500 SA. Please like and subscribe. I would like to do a live drive again in the near future. Ja, je weet het niet, hè? Gisteren was er ME in zijn Rijtesten, jongens. Zo was het ook alweer. Ik heb een filmpje gezien op YouTube. Van Samira. Nee, Samira, hoe heet ze? Volgens mij wel Samira. Samira. Beautiful day for a drive. There's a milk truck in front of us. That's slowing it a little bit down. Not that bad. We have to take a left here. Let's see what the milkman is doing. The milk truck. Oh, and we're right behind the ANWB. Motormuizen. Oh, en is solidair met zijn huis te veen, jongens. Take a look. Maybe police. The last one looked like a police. Okay, almost there. Dit is houten haren. Houdt weer wat in, hè? Hele tijd. Oh, nice one. Another Amerikaan, huh? Ja, Porsche. I'm gonna close the windows, guys. A little bit. We're probably not the only one. Hoi, is het huis te veen? You don't hear her, huh? Only the kidney dampers removed. Now we're gonna remove the einddamper. And put in 2 resonators. See how that sounds. First straight piper. Gonna be immense. And then put in the resonators. Okay, guys. Almost at the Servento. Oh. Ja, je had toch voorrang. Ja, ik heb jullie niet vast en dan krijg je dat. Easy through the corners, of course. Ooh, that was I saying. That is as if I was saying easy in the corners. So, yesterday evening, a lot of commotion going on right here. It was here. There are some cars. No police. In the evening, they'll get dropped off here. Zie je niet zoveel, hè? Heel veel mensen. Well, no sensation. Not a lot of sensation going on right there. Turn you around, guys. The last straw. The last straw. Oh, a little bit wobbly there. And I throttle too much, but I got you in my hand. At the garage. Ooh la la. Ik denk dat ik een andere bobine moet hebben. You never know, er staat al een auto op de brug. Gaan we even omdraaien, jongens. Like this, like that. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.